Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Paneer Bhurji or scrambled paneer. For that, take a pan on medium heat and add oil 1 to 2 tablespoons. If you want, you can add ghee also. So once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry for 30 seconds. So now add onion and green chilli. So I have taken half of a big onion and 3 small green chilies. Adjust the number of green chilies to your taste. So fry the onions till they are golden brown. So the onions are fried well. I am going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And I have 2 small tomatoes here which I chopped finely, which I am going to add now. Fry till the tomatoes are nice and mushy. So the tomatoes are nice and mushy now. So I am going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and salt to taste. I am also going to add little bit of red chilli powder. Adjust the red chilli powder to your taste. Now mix well. So now I am going to add crumbled paneer. I am taking 8 ounces of paneer. So now mix well. So if you want, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes and the scrambled paneer will be ready. So after 3 minutes you can see the scrambled paneer is ready. It should have just enough moisture so that the paneer doesn't go dry. So at this point you can add cilantro to garnish. Paneer Bhurji is ready. You can serve this with rice or roti. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. And I will see you again with a new video. Bye. Thanks for watching.